My name is Seamus Collins. I'm the Learning and Development Manager with Misean Cara. It's a development organisation that supports the development work of our members in over 50 countries around the globe. Irish Aid is Misean Cara's principal donor, and at the time that the pandemic hit, Irish Aid allowed us to pivot funding from already granted projects to deal directly with the pandemic, and that made it possible to respond to real need immediately. In 2022, we wanted to investigate the impact of the COVID pandemic on the delivery of health services in a number of locations in East Africa. We issued a public tender for the work, and the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland won the tender.
The evidence that we generated through this research enables us to better prepare for upcoming pandemics. We have evidence how better to support partnerships between non-governmental organizations and the governments. We've also provided evidence on how long-term community engagement provides the means to develop trust that is essential in the times of crisis.
There's a really strong culture of innovation and collaboration with industry at RCSI. We really pride ourselves on the service that we're able to provide our researchers and our industry partners to make the maximal impact. So the innovation team was really delighted to support this collaboration, and it led to a really useful outcome for the collaborative partner, Misean Cara.
So this piece of research provided us with a valuable resource in the almost inevitable event that there is another pandemic. Another key learning from the research was that the best form of preparedness for emergencies such as that presented by the pandemic is good primary health care, good health education and immunisation. So for anybody wishing to engage with the Technology Transfer Office, or CSI in this case, my 3 tips would be as follows. First of all, establish very clear terms of reference. Go through them very carefully with the consultants and check any assumptions that are being made so that there's full clarity. The second tip would be to engage all stakeholders in the process at an early stage and manage all expectations carefully. The third tip would be to stay in touch regularly throughout the process, debrief when necessary, and bring extra information to bear if required.